Did your computer start crashing, freezing, or running slower after the latest Windows update? Don't worry, you don't have to live with it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to roll back a bad Windows update safely and get your PC working normally again. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to roll back or uninstall a bad Windows update, we are going to right click on the start and then we'll click on settings. So at the settings, we are going to click on Windows Update. And then at the right pane, we are going to click on Update History. So you are going to scroll down and then we'll click on Uninstall Updates. So these are the updates I have, okay? And the feature update for Windows 11 25H2 is the latest update. So supposing this is the bad update and I need to uninstall or roll back, I'm going to click on Uninstall, okay? So after the uninstallation, I'm going to do a restart of the computer and then I'll check if the problem is resolved, okay? But this is optional. You have to pause the update temporarily to prevent the problematic update from reinstalling immediately, okay? So this is how to uninstall or roll back a bad Windows update. But we can also use the control panel to uninstall or roll back a bad Windows update. But yes, though, it will take us to the settings, okay? So let me show you the control panel quickly. So I'm going to click on the search and then I'm going to click on the control panel. So at the control panel, I'm going to click on Programs and Features. And then I'll click on View Windows, View Install Updates. So you see quickly, it has brought us to the settings, okay, as I showed you earlier. Okay, so these are the 3 updates I have, okay. So this is the control panel approach to uninstall a bad Windows update or to roll over a bad Windows update. So this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.